One of these agent frameworks is already dead, you just don't know it yet. Microsoft killed Autogen, quietly, behind a blog post nobody read. On April 7th, Agent Framework 1.0 shipped, and the same day, Autogen and Semantic Kernel both got pushed into maintenance mode. No new features, just bug fixes. That's the graveyard shift in open source. So now you have 4 names floating around: LangGraph, CrewAI, Autogen, and Microsoft Agent Framework. And every tutorial is still telling you to pick one. That advice is already outdated. The real answer looks nothing like those blog posts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which framework to use for your next project, and why using the wrong one can burn weeks of your life. Let's start with Autogen, because it's the easiest to settle. Autogen was Microsoft's multi-agent playground. Conversational, simple, great for research. But Microsoft just folded it into Agent Framework. All new work is happening there. If you start a project in Autogen today, you're building on a frozen code base. Skip it. Unless you're stuck maintaining legacy systems, Autogen is done. That leaves 3 real choices. Remember I said the wrong framework can burn weeks? Here's why. One of these looks simple on day 1 and crushes you on day 90. CrewAI is the easiest entry point. Role-based agents. You say one agent is the researcher, one is the writer, one reviews. 3 lines of Python, and you have a working crew. That's why 60% of the Fortune 500 are already using it. It runs 450 million agents every single month. But easy comes with a price. CrewAI abstracts away control. No deep checkpointing. Limited direct agent-to-agent messaging. Error handling is blunt. The moment your workflow gets nonlinear, you're fighting the framework instead of using it. So CrewAI wins speed. But speed is not production. LangGraph is the opposite. It's a graph. Literally. Nodes, edges, state. Every transition is explicit. Every retry is checkpointable. Every branch is inspectable. That's why teams running mission-critical agents pick LangGraph, even though the learning curve is brutal. You want a healthcare claims agent that can't silently fail? LangGraph. You want a trading agent that needs perfect state recovery? LangGraph. You want 5 engineers to understand the same workflow 6 months from now? LangGraph. The trade-off is real. LangGraph makes you think like an infrastructure engineer, not a prompt engineer. Now here's the open loop I hinted at. One framework just changed the game for enterprise teams, and it's the one nobody is covering properly yet. Microsoft Agent Framework 1.0. This is not a rebrand. It's a merger. Semantic Kernel gave it the enterprise bones. Session state, type safety, middleware, telemetry, open telemetry tracing out of the box. Autogen gave it the conversational agents, and Microsoft added graph-based workflows on top. So you get CrewAI's simplicity for single agents, LangGraph-style orchestration for complex flows, and enterprise plumbing baked in. It ships for .NET and Python. MCP is built in. A2A support is rolling out. Azure AI Foundry integration is native. If you work inside a Microsoft shop, this is already your answer. You didn't pick it. It picked you. So here's the honest breakdown for 2026. Pick CrewAI if you're prototyping, shipping fast, or your agents are role-based and linear. It's the fastest path from 0 to working. Pick LangGraph if the cost of a silent failure is high. Finance, healthcare, legal, anything with audit trails. It's the most controllable and the most production grade. Pick Microsoft Agent Framework if you're on Azure, .NET, or you need enterprise governance and telemetry baked in. It fully replaces Autogen. Skip Autogen unless you already have code running. It's legacy now. And here's the real winner nobody says out loud. Most serious teams use 2 frameworks. CrewAI to prototype. Then they rebuild the production version in LangGraph or Agent Framework once the workflow is proven. The prototype framework and the production framework are not the same thing. Picking one framework for both is how teams waste 3 months. Picking the wrong one is how they waste 6. One last truth. The framework matters less than your evaluation harness. A weak agent in LangGraph still fails. A strong agent in CrewAI still ships. Spend more time on evals than on framework debates. Thank you.